everyone! Welcome to Ate Nor's Kitchen. Today I'm gonna share with you the recipe of orange chicken. Okay? Meron akong 2 chicken breasts. Nasa 450 grams tong dalawang chicken breast. Pwede yung chicken thigh or chicken legs. Alisin nyo lang yung buto at saka yung skin. 3 cloves of garlic. Mimince ko mamaya yon. And then 1 inch ginger. I-slice ko thinly mamaya. And then, spring onion or daon ng sibuyas for garnish. 1 tablespoon shaoxing wine or Chinese cooking wine. 2 tablespoon brown sugar. 1 big orange. Kung hindi juicy yung orange, magdagdag lang ng orange. And chili powder, optional. Ground black pepper, soy sauce, apple cider vinegar or white vinegar. Pero mas gusto ko tong apple cider vinegar kasi mas malasa siya. Cornstarch. And gagamit din tayo ng cooking oil at saka ng salt. Okay? Ikakat ko lang to kasi hindi pantay siya. Itong bandang to ay makapal. So, ikakat ko into 2. Kailangan kasi pare-pareho yung kapal ng ating chicken. Para sabay-sabay siyang maluto. Then, slanted. Slice lang ng slanted. About 1/4 inch. So, itong part na to, medyo manipis na siya. So, okay na yan. I-slice ko lang slanted din. Para-parehong size. Okay, kukuhanin ko muna yung orange zest. I-grate ko lang siya. Mga about 1 teaspoon ang kailangan ko bago ko pigain. Okay, now i-marinate ko na aking chicken. Kakat ko lang yung mga 1/3. Kailangan ko ng mga 2 tablespoon para sa aking marinade. One and a half tablespoon soy sauce. 1 tablespoon shaoxing wine or Chinese cooking wine. Ground black pepper. Chili powder or chili flakes kung wala kayong chili powder. Masarap kasi yung medyo anghang na manamis-namis na medyo maasim. Then salt. Then haluin lang mabuti and then marinate for 20 minutes. Okay, sa juice, kailangan natin 120 ml na orange juice. So, sa aking marinated chicken, mag-a-add lang ako ng 2 to 3 tablespoon ng cornstarch. Mga 3 tablespoon, okay na. Makakoat na niyang lahat ng chicken. Okay, haluin lang mabuti hanggang makoat niya lahat ng chicken. Okay, sa aking medium frying pan, then medium heat din, add lang ng cooking oil. Make sure lang na very hot yung oil bago natin i-fry yung chicken para hindi tumikit sa kawali. Paghiwa-hiwalayin lang natin para hindi siya magdikit, para hindi mahirap bilingin. Okay, may cornstarch kasi yan kaya sticky. So, fry lang 1 minute or until golden brown. Medium heat. Okay, 1 minute each side. Okay, it's golden brown. Yung kabilang side naman, 1 minute uli hanggang mag golden brown. So, okay na yung kulay niya. Looks good. It's cooked. Tender and juicy. Umuwi na natin. Okay, para sa aking sauce, add lang yung 2 tablespoon brown sugar sa 120 ml na orange juice. And 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar or white vinegar. And 2 tablespoon soy sauce. Then, haluin lang mabuti and then tabi muna natin. Okay, sa aking wok, 2 tablespoon ng cooking oil, yung pinagamitan ng pinagpritohan ko ng chicken na aking gagamitin. Add lang ng sliced ginger. Medium heat uli. Then, add na yung garlic. Then, grated orange zest, 1 teaspoon. Then, fry lang hanggang mag-brown. Okay na, and then, i-add na natin ang ating sauce. Yung ginawa ko kaninang sauce. Then, simmer for 5 minutes. Low heat. Okay, now add na yung 1 teaspoon cornstarch with a little bit of water for thickening the sauce. Then, pakuluan pa natin siya ng konti. Okay na yung thickness niya. Then, now add na yung chicken. Okay. Stir lang mabuti hanggang ma-coat ng sauce lahat ng chicken. So, enough lang yung sauce niya para sa lahat ng chicken. Okay? Add lang yung chopped spring onion, yung white part. Then, transfer na into a serving plate. Okay, it's done. Sprinkle lang ng spring onion. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Ate Nor's Kitchen, and click the notification bell for my latest updates. Thank you for watching.